Yo, listen up, listen up. Good morning, everybody. This is your show, Carburo cover on Channel 28.
Nag-iba na naman.
Ano ba? Diba?
Game.
We will song the for this for your elder loved ones. This is the song. Cover by Brian McKnight, but we will sing it today, so Brian McDay.
Pasok na.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm a bit nervous, but doing it today. I'm still not be sure what I'm going to say. Bear with me, please, if I take up too much of your time. Seeing these boxes for you always, she's my everything. You know that I know you could give some relief if all the same time. Very soon I'm hoping that maybe it's other than my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. There's a mystery that I die. Maybe a princess, maybe to my queen. You're the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. With a smile, goes down the aisle, on the arm of her father, on the fingers.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yo, goodbye. It's already 6 o'clock in the evening or morning.
Pakilala mo si Dened. Pakilala mo si Dened.
This is my guitarist.
Grabe.
Guitarist on the heavenly body, Dened Miguel Pinza. And this is my photographer, JP Procopio. And that's my customer.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Carburo on Channel 69.